Hey, District 189, it's Kurt Warner, and we're here to talk today about changing your voicemail message on your Cisco phone. So let's get started. What you're going to do is hit the button that looks like an envelope, and then enter your PIN number. Once you get in there, it's going to tell you have no new messages, and it's going to list the options. You're going to want to select option number 4. That's setup. Change your greetings is the first one. You hit 1 again. It will play your current greeting for you so you can hear what it says.
I am not currently available. Please leave a message after the tone. Thank you.
To re-record it, you're going to go ahead and press 1 again.
You can record your greeting at the tone. When you are finished,
You'll
press
record your
pound.
greeting again, and then when you're done, you're going to hit pound. Go ahead and hang up the phone. You're done. Thanks and have a great day.